How to delete Bigo live account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I will show you how to delete your Bigo live account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now make sure first of all you pass all of the required conditions for deletion. So log into your account and go to the option called account settings. So once you go to account settings, on the next page you just have to tap on the option that says account management, as you could see over here. So just go ahead and select account management. After you do so, scroll down to the account ownership section and click on the button that says delete account, which is underlined or maybe it's in a bold text or anything as such. So just go ahead and click on the option called delete account. As soon as you've done that, you have to simply enter your account password. So this is basically done in order to verify that the person trying to delete the account is the owner himself or not. So just verify the account with your password and tap on the next button, and just like that you'd be able to successfully delete your Bigo live account. That's all it takes to delete your Bigo live account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.